So hello, my name is Dr. Virginia Ortiz. I am an oral surgeon and the founder of Balmo.
My name is Souvy. I'm the CEO of Airscale.
I'm Angela. I'm the founder of Souvy, which is a food solution company.
So the thing is that medical startups are sort of a different type of startup regarding other industries. And so we had a lack of knowledge in the ecosystem or in the industry. And that's where I think the Sitem Startup Club helped us the most.
That was difficult to find a place. You need to navigate well in that burn ecosystem.
Having the change from a clinician to the corporate side was definitely a challenge, then it's still a learning curve. So that's potentially one of the biggest challenges that I had when encountering the corporate side of Balmo.
We didn't really have a place to go before here, so this was our very first infrastructure we could use, and we had like all the advantages here, so that was lucky.
So thanks to the SSC, we were able to meet with some of the well-connected people in the Bernese MedTech network. And we also were able to join the pitching event where we could pitch in front of the industrial network of the Sitem Startup Club.
SSC provides an option to open doors for you. I think that's very important, again, at early stage, when no one knows you. It gives you a certain weight when they write emails in their behalf, and usually key opinion leaders or stakeholders will answer to such emails much faster.
I think the Sitem Startup Club definitely allows for a lot of networking opportunities and allows for a lot of resources to be able to also be implemented within the whole entire journey of a startup from the beginning until later on. So that has definitely been instrumental for the growth of my startup, especially being a solo founder.
Also, what I really enjoy is the team, actually. I mean, I don't know if everyone does that, but every time I come in, I go say hi, have a quick conversation, and it's always a good vibe. I really enjoy that.
I found most of the competences and people on the same level that I would find in those big corporates, and they are actually working here in the same building. We are having coffee together, we are having lunch together, so it's and they are also very supportive. So a lot of people that are just here making sure that you have the best information and that you can make the project successful.
Did it profit from the investor environment that you can build up here, or you have built up in the hub? So we have quite a few investors that are also associated with the hub.
So from one side we have access to lawyers, patent experts, etc. That helps us a lot. And from the other side, you really can talk to other founders who are doing almost the same thing, or at least in the same industry. And that really helps a lot to exchange opinions and get insights from other people who are doing similar stuff.
So the three words that come to mind when I think about the SSC is definitely ambitious, loving, and community.
Very familiar in a way, and very supportive. I think those three words.
Innovative, motivational, and fun.
Friendly, personal, and great coffee. And it's 4 words technically, but
So I would recommend the MedTech Booster program to all founders or all people who think about incorporating a MedTech program, specifically in Bern. I mean, being that close to the Insel complex is a huge benefit.
For sure, I can highly recommend this program for startups at very early stage to get first navigation toolbox and help you with approaching again Bern, especially local ecosystem, important persons, companies, public organizations, hospitals. that's definitely a great place to be.
Yeah, I mean, I would certainly recommend it to all startups in the medtech space, as it's built around the medtech vertical. So I think it's definitely a good place to be. And the reasons are you can grow your team. There's a lot of flexibility when you need more desks or less desks. And then you also have access to the network towards investors.
So I would absolutely recommend it when it comes to regulatory navigation through regulatory aspects, whether it's fundraising, networking opportunities, or just having a person you can reach out to say, look, I'm stuck in this, what can I do, how can you help me?
I would definitely recommend it to people who have a startup in the medtech space and who need a home for their startup and a networking.